This one is the same as this one. And there are 2 more wires here. This electrical wire is slightly from this hole. Hey. Then after deleting, passing through. After deleting, straight through this opening. There's an opening here. Flip it. Good. Okay, we pass through this laser welding. This is ultrasonic welding here. That's, you see here. Then insert it here, insert it on this. This is marked as draw mold 2 here. Then insert this. Corresponding on this UVWPE, and there is also a corresponding one here. Insert it. For this, take that buckle clip. Take that white clip like this. Place this clip directly in. After placing it directly in, press down, press down. The slot goes directly in. And this is also assembled. Need to check. Corresponding to UVWPE. Alright. Next, there is also a winder. For winding, we also have a set of these plugs here. Okay. Remove it. Also connect to this ultrasonic spot. Large team. In this way, our electrical setup is done. Now let's look at the components. For the air tube, we place an air tube below this ultrasonic spot. Then take the air tube out. After taking out the air tube, only one opening is left here. Only one opening is left to connect to our T-stand. That's enough. Insert directly. It can be inserted. There are also 3 tubes here. One tube connects to your air source. The interface here connects to your air source. And one tube is labeled. The label 5 is this character. Connect to this hoist. Erase a number 5. Just plug it in. Another tube connects to that. Another tube connects to this white tape welding machine here. This white tape welding machine. Don't put it directly from this heavy load. Then this drawing roughly. There's just one more here, correct. This is 6. Marked 66 for 6. This way the air is fully supplied. That's it. There is one more also for white tape welding. White tape welding. There is also a neat one here. This air tube goes directly through this hole. Through. Then connects to this forming machine. This forming machine has an interface here. Digital matches digital. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, just match properly. It's plugged in, and here you need to pay attention to. Okay, yes. For this thing, after assembling this, it's best to wrap it with electrical tape. Cover those 2 lumps to prevent falling off. Now it can be powered.